Are you looking for a folding treadmill that truly delivers, not just on performance but on real value, durability, and design excellence? You've come to the right place. You are watching Review the Best Buy, where we bring you in-depth, unbiased, and honest reviews to help you make smarter purchase decisions every time. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best folding treadmill you can get right now, carefully tested and compared based on build quality, key features, performance, ease of use, and genuine pros and amp cons. Whether you're watching from anywhere around the world, our goal is simple: to guide you toward the right choice and help you invest your money wisely. And trust me, you don't want to miss the number one pick. It might just change your mind. All the latest prices and official links are listed below in the description box. Now sit back, relax, and let's dive straight into the review, only here on Review the Best Buy. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have BORGUSI Treadmill with Auto Incline Electric Treadmill Wide Tread Belt and Bluetooth speaker for home use. Sleek, smart, and surprisingly powerful. Perfect for anyone looking for real value and reliability. The BORGUSI Treadmill is a versatile home fitness solution designed to make workouts convenient, enjoyable, and effective for users of all levels. Featuring an auto incline function, this treadmill allows you to adjust the slope easily, simulating outdoor terrain and increasing calorie burn without the need for extra effort. The wide tread belt ensures comfort and stability during walking or running sessions, while the sturdy frame supports a smooth and safe workout experience. Integrated Bluetooth speakers add an element of entertainment, allowing you to stream your favorite music or podcasts directly from your device, making each session more motivating and fun. This treadmill is perfect for daily cardio, interval training, or warm-up exercises, and its compact design fits well in apartments or home gyms without occupying too much space. Among the benefits, users appreciate the quiet motor, cushioned running surface, and user-friendly controls, which make it easy to track speed, distance, and calories burned. On the downside, some users may find the maximum incline and speed limits suitable mainly for moderate workouts rather than professional training, and assembly requires attention to detail to ensure stability. Overall, the BORGUSI treadmill balances functionality, comfort, and entertainment, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking to maintain fitness at home. It is also a thoughtful gift for family members who want to stay active and healthy conveniently. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Moving up the list, number 4 is where design meets innovation. Coming in at number 4, we have ApexNexus Treadmill with handles, portable small treadmills for home and office walking pad with LED display. Known for its cutting-edge features and solid performance that users around the world are loving. The ApexNexus Treadmill is a compact and versatile solution designed to make staying active at home or in the office easy and convenient. With sturdy handles for added stability and a portable design, this treadmill allows you to walk or lightly jog while keeping up with work or entertainment. The LED display provides clear information on speed, time, distance, and calories burned, helping you track your progress effortlessly. Small footprint makes it ideal for apartments, home gyms, or office spaces where larger machines are impractical, and the smooth motor ensures quiet operation so you can walk without disturbing others. The treadmill encourages daily movement, improves circulation, and can easily fit into a busy schedule, whether you are taking breaks at work or adding steps to your fitness routine at home. Users enjoy the ease of use, portability, and low noise, but some may find that it is better suited for walking or light jogging rather than high-intensity running due to its limited maximum speed. Another consideration is that assembly requires careful alignment of the handles and safety features to ensure stability. Overall, the ApexNexus treadmill combines functionality, convenience, and practicality, making it an excellent choice for anyone who wants to stay active without needing a large gym setup. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Alright, things are getting really exciting now. Our number 3 pick is one that's loved by thousands worldwide. At number 3, THERUN Walking Pad 2-in-1 Foldable Treadmills for Home, 2.5 hours power under desk with handlebar. It delivers premium performance, outstanding comfort, and a look that never goes out of style. The THERUN Walking Pad is a versatile 2-in-1 foldable treadmill designed to bring effortless fitness into your home or office. With a powerful 2.5 horsepower motor and a sturdy under-desk design, it allows you to walk comfortably while working, watching shows, or taking a break from sitting. Its handlebar provides extra stability when needed, but it can also be used as a low-profile walking pad for a more streamlined look, making it ideal for small spaces or apartments. The treadmill features a wide and comfortable belt, ensuring smooth motion and reliable support during each step, and the foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use. Users appreciate the quiet motor, which allows walking without disturbing others, and the simple controls that make it easy to adjust speed and monitor progress. On the downside, it is more suitable for walking and light jogging rather than running, and taller users may need to pay attention to the height when using it under a desk. Overall, the THERUN walking pad combines practicality, convenience, and modern design, offering a simple way to incorporate movement into a busy day while saving space. Its portability, quiet operation, and foldable design make it a reliable choice for anyone looking to stay active at home or work without a full-size treadmill. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. We're almost at the top, and this next one is a runner-up at number 2, UREVO Strol 2E Smart 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill Compact Walking Pad with Safety Handle Plug and Play. Built with precision and innovation, it's a powerhouse that professionals absolutely trust. The UREVO Strol 2E Smart 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill is designed to bring convenient and flexible fitness into your home or office without taking up too much space. Its compact design allows it to function both as a full treadmill with a safety handle and as a low-profile walking pad, making it ideal for small apartments, workspaces, or anyone looking to stay active while multitasking. The treadmill features a smooth and quiet belt that supports comfortable walking and light jogging, and its plug-and-play setup ensures you can start using it immediately without complicated assembly. The included safety handle provides stability and confidence, especially for beginners or those who prefer extra support, while the foldable frame allows easy storage and portability. Users appreciate how simple it is to operate, making it easy to control speed and maintain a steady pace. On the downside, it is best suited for walking and moderate exercise, so running or intense workouts may feel limited, and taller users should check the stride length to ensure comfort. Overall, the UREVO Strol 2E combines practicality, safety, and modern design, offering a versatile solution for staying active at home or in the office. Its quiet operation, easy setup, and foldable functionality make it a reliable choice for anyone seeking a compact yet effective treadmill. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best of the best. At number 1, NordicTrack T-Series. This one redefines what performance really means. Unmatched build quality, user satisfaction, and a reputation that speaks louder than words. The NordicTrack T-Series treadmill is an excellent choice for anyone looking to bring professional quality workouts into the comfort of their home while keeping convenience and space in mind. It features a sturdy and wide running surface that makes walking, jogging, and light running comfortable and safe, while the cushioned deck reduces strain on joints, making daily exercise easier and more enjoyable. Treadmill comes with an intuitive display and easy-to-use controls, allowing you to adjust speed and incline effortlessly to suit your fitness goals. Users will appreciate the smooth and quiet motor, which makes it ideal for shared spaces or apartments, and the foldable design adds versatility, letting you store it easily when not in use. One advantage is the ability to track your workout progress, which helps maintain motivation, but a potential downside is that it is designed for moderate exercise, so very tall or heavy users may need to check compatibility before purchase. Overall, the NordicTrack T-Series blends reliability, comfort, and modern features, making it perfect for beginners and experienced fitness enthusiasts alike who want a practical treadmill without sacrificing quality. Its combination of cushioning, easy controls, and foldable convenience ensures you can stay active every day without compromising space or comfort. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.